Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We have got a very special treat today. The SR-71 Oxcart, ladies and gentlemen. I know they didn't call it the SR-71 Oxcart, they just call it the Oxcart. For the folks at home, you'll at least know what it is. So folks, woo, what do you say? I mean really, we're going high. Have that high altitude seat on if you don't mind. Sit back, relax, strap in tight, and enjoy the flight.
That is everything that has nothing to do, and now she's flying off with the way. This is ultimate demonstration by A-12 with the This bird is the longest one in the U.S. and they don't bring them in. So they like to see her for us. There's one more in Brazil, the other one that we know is in Canada right now. And there are no more of these birds. They run with two 130s, guided by the pilot on the shore, and flown again by Chris Houston, who is a pilot. On the other side, we have the SR-71 from yesterday. And we do have a field ready for the US. A couple of customers who are lucky enough to be able to get their hands on one.
Folks, I may have to drop the audio out. YouTube has very strict copyright laws and they're playing music in the background, so I do apologize for that.
Danny just covered his mouth. I don't know if you guys saw that, but a little bit of a funny factor. Is he going to give me a slow roll, Danny? You know?
I don't know. We were talking about it earlier.
He doesn't need to do it now. I do one slow roll.
Talk about this and also to fly the nozzle. But with our system, you only need one gyro, which is a high gyro, and it'll do everything that airplane needs to do with just one gyro. Really, really cool feature on the high gyro stack. With all the new firmware that we're constantly upgrading and improving. We don't just make a product and forget about it. We are constantly improving what we have and coming up with new products.
You said that
yes, correct. The issue is that typically you would have one gyro for the aircraft and you would have another gyro from credit to be able to do other maneuvers that you can't do with just one single nozzle. You can't roll with one single nozzle. You have to have the two nozzles going in opposite directions. Right. With our system, you're able to do that without a problem and without the need of a second gyro.
there's a whole team on the third floor of this thing. A-12 is coming in December last.
If you look at the A-12, it's a very long aircraft, so it's a long approach, a very steady approach.
Ooh, oh, whoop, there you go, pop back up. And the parachute is out, folks. What are you gonna say, folks? That's Ox-12, let me try it again. That's Oxcart butter there, folks, Oxcart butter. Gorgeous plane, let's be honest, folks. It is, SR-71 is unlike anything out there, period. Skunk Works did an amazing job, you know, just amazing. All right, friends, more to come.